Guys, excited to be here. Brandon Boyd. Welcome to Morning Motivation. Today's episode number 1158. Topic title for today is your full potential. Go ahead and put yourself in a position to take notes. I'm excited about today's subject. You know, some of you, you've got great things that you're up against. And the reason that you have great obstacles is because there's greatness within you. And so the trials and the setbacks are opportunities for you to discover what's actually inside of you. And yet this is not going to happen if you're weak and say, I just can't take this anymore. This is just too much for me. Yet the pressure that you are under right now, and all of us have it in different ways, it's showing you how strong you are, how much that you can handle. Let me give you just a bit of advice. Stand strong, be courageous. You got to think like a champion. You got to talk like an overcomer. You got to praise when you've been complaining. You've got to declare in advance that you will be victorious and expect that great things are going to happen even when it seems impossible. And you always got to keep in your mind, your problems are not going to overcome you. This loss is not going to define you. Deep down, you're going to discover things that you did not know that you had. You're about to see things that you did not realize that you could. Okay, you will see situations turn around that look like that they were permanent. But first, you've got to believe this. That it's going to happen for you, the doors that are going to open. In fact, today, I want to shut off the negative voices. I want to quit listening to those who do not believe in me, who do not believe in you. They don't have your future. You do. So quit listening to the Goliaths who, frankly, they just want to take you out. Remember, guys, you are a giant killer. You are a history maker. You are an overcomer. Like I mentioned before, you may have some dirt on you. You may be going through some challenges. But that dirt will not hold you down. In fact, I said it last week. You won't survive, you will thrive. And you must believe that for yourself in order for it to happen. And you will overcome every single obstacle in your way because thus far, you have 100% recovery rate amongst any trial that has come your way. Guys, that is my message for today. Quick message here on Morning Motivation. Tune in 5 days a week. I hope that this has given you some inspiration to start the week strong. Let's make it happen. And we will see you guys on tomorrow's session. Thanks, everyone.